To make fresh whipped cream or Chantilly cream, you only need a few ingredients. We're gonna be using heavy cream, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. You can use any flavoring that you like to replace the vanilla. I'm gonna be using a pint of heavy cream. So we're gonna start to whip our heavy cream before adding our other ingredients. And I'm gonna start to mix it at a medium to high speed, and then I'm gonna gradually increase it to the highest speed. The key to a stable Chantilly or whipped cream is to start off with cold tools and ingredients. You can sweeten your cream with some powdered sugar or a sweetener, and this is a recipe that can be measured by taste. So here you can see that the cream is still very soft, but this is the perfect consistency if you want to pour some whipped cream over some berries for dessert. So we're going to continue to whip. So it's not there yet, but this is where you really want to pay attention, and you want to make sure that you're not going to over whip, because then your heavy cream or your whipped cream is going to start to curdle. So we're gonna whip this for just a little longer. This is the consistency that you are looking for when it comes to piping. We hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.